So now we have some more practice problems, and so on this one we want to find the value of x and y so that NR is perpendicular to MP. So NR is this line, MP is that line. So if they're perpendicular, that means every quadrant is 90 degrees, is equal to 90 degrees. So we want to find y, and we know that MSR is equal to this expression here, right? And we also know that MSR is equal to 90 degrees, right? Because these two lines are perpendicular. So we can make our first equation as 9y plus 18 is equal to 90. And then we can solve for y. So we're going to subtract 18 from both sides. It's 9y is equal to 72. Divide both sides by 9, and we get y is equal to 8. Okay. Now we want to find x, right? Because we need to find the value of y and x. So if we find x, well, we know that this quadrant up here is equal to 90 degrees. And we know that this angle NSP is equal to 5x, and PSQ is equal to x. So what we can do is first angle plus the second angle is equal to 90 degrees. So I'm going to say 5x plus x is equal to 90 degrees. Combine my like terms, I get 6x is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 6, and I get x is equal to 1,5 equals 15. So that's number one. And let's go number two. Angle MSN. MSN, well, we know that every quadrant's 90 degrees, so MSN is equal to 90 degrees. Measure of MSN is equal to 90 degrees. And then number three, it's EBF. So EBF, this one is equal to this expression here. And then DBE is equal to x. And then they say that DB is perpendicular to BF. So we know that DBF is equal to 90 degrees, right? So now we have to find x. So we're going to take angle 1, we're going to add angle 2, and we're going to set it equal to 90. So it's going to be 3x plus 10 plus x is equal to 90, right? Then we combine like terms, and this is simple algebra. So we'll do 4x plus 10 is equal to 90. Subtract 10 from both sides. 4x is equal to 80. Divide both sides by 4, and I get x is equal to 20. So that's my answer there. And that's what they're looking for. Find the value of x. Right. All right, so number 4 is EBF is equal to this expression, and FBC is equal to that expression. So we want to find the value of y such that BE is perpendicular to BC, right? So now they're talking about these two lines being equal to 90 degrees, or this angle here, EBC, equals to 90 degrees. So what can I do? I could take angle 1 and add it to angle 2 and set it equal to 90. Right? That's how I'm going to make my equation. So it's 7y minus 3 plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 90. I'll combine my like terms, and I'll get 10y is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 10, and I get y is equal to 9. And I believe that's what they're asking for. Yeah, find the value of y. So I'm done. Okay. Next question here is find the value of x. So measure of angle PQS is equal to 3x, and SQR is equal to this expression here. Right? They don't tell us anything about perpendicular or complementary, but they do give us this symbol right here, right? And that symbol means that this angle PQR is 90 degrees. So what can I do? I could take angle 1 plus angle 2, set it equal to 90. So that's what I'm going to do. Angle 1 plus 8x plus 2, angle 2 is equal to 90. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90. Combine my like terms. Subtract 2 from both sides equals 88. Divide both sides by 11. I get x is equal to 8. And I'm done. Right? Now we have one last problem down here. One exercise is find the value of y. And we have measure of angle RPT is equal to this expression. TPW is equal to that expression. Now, what we need to have is the fact that we have these two intersecting lines, right? And one quadrant is 90 degrees. If one quadrant is 90 degrees, that means all of the quadrants are equal to 90 degrees, all of them. all right, including RPW. This is equal to 90 degrees. So the equation that I can create is first angle plus the second angle equals 90. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say 4y minus 5 plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 90, like so. Combine my like terms and I get 6y is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 6 and I get y is equal to 15. And they are looking for the value of y, so I can box my answer, and that's the end of this video.